Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about Klaviyo Lists versus Klaviyo Segments. So, first thing, what is a segment? Unlike a traditional subscriber list, segments are defined by a set of conditions. For example, a segment could include everyone's who purchased, visited your website last week, or opened a specific email. Segments are dynamic and will grow and shrink based on customer behavior. So, what is a list? Unlike dynamic segments, lists are static. They contain anyone who has subscribed to join the list and will only grow as people subscribe. So, lists versus segments. If you explore the lists and segments tab of your account, you will see and be able to create both lists and segments. Lists are used by almost all ESPs. They're a collector of people's email addresses grouped under an identifiable label. You can add people to a list manually, or people can join a list themselves by subscribing through a form. Segments are defined by a set of conditions, as explained above, rather than fixed list of people. Segments will grow as new people meet the new conditions and shrink as people no longer meet them. Lists are used for growing an audience that you can keep in touch with through automated flows and campaigns. Segments can be used to help with a variety of the additional marketing efforts. So that's it. Thanks for watching.